What's up guys, my name's Alex, welcome to the Bug Out Life YouTube channel. Alright, g'day everyone. If you've seen my videos before, welcome back. And if this is your first time, welcome to the channel. So you might see behind me here a little sneak peek of the camper that I've been working on for about the last 2 years, if you include the drawing time and the manufacturing time. It's finally complete. Well, I'll say complete, probably 95%. There is still a few little things I have to do here and there, like mount some spare wheels and mount the shower and a few little bits and bobs, but it's pretty much there, so I'm definitely keen to show you guys. I know you viewers have been watching from the start are really excited to see us get to this point and see the final product. If you guys haven't seen the videos before, there are about 18 episodes where I go from a pile of metal to what I have behind me today. But I think that's enough talking for now. It's time for the reveal, and after that I'll do a quick walk around. So without further ado, I present to you the BUGOUT OFF-ROAD CAMPERS TD59. Well, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed that reveal. I'm absolutely stoked at how this thing turned out. It turned out way better than I expected, and I couldn't be happier. I say we do a quick walk around. I'll show you guys what's what and how it all works, and let's start at the front. All right, so we'll start at the front here, guys. We have the DO35 hitch. It's an absolutely fantastic hitch. I rate it. Not sponsored, obviously, but I definitely recommend getting one of those if I were you. Super easy to use, really strong, really functional. That hitch is recessed into our drawbar, as you can see there, which is really nice. It tows beautifully. We have our jockey wheel. Moving back, we have our tongue box or toolbox. It houses storage on the far side, and then our batteries and our power system on the closest side here. All of our power comes from the solar panel on the roof, which then works its way down into those plugs there, which go into the top of the box. At the moment, we're running just one 100 amp hour battery, but we do want to get some of the itech 120 amp hours. I'd love to have two in here, but unfortunately, I just can't quite afford them right now because they're pretty pricey, and this thing has cost me an arm and a leg to build. But we have all their other gear. We have their DC-DC charger, the 40 amp, we have their power control hub, and also the battery monitor with shunt, which is just absolutely fantastic. Super clean stuff, really well built, and I absolutely love it. All right, so we'll move into our bedroom now. We have the Aussie Traveller teardrop door. It is a two-piece door, so it's obviously got your waterproof side, and then you can also unlatch it here with this little latch and separate those doors, and then you have a fly screen as well as just your normal door that you latch to the back there, so it really lets a nice breeze in there with the windows open as well. Moving into the bedroom, I haven't quite finished the carpeting on the roof yet. That's one thing I still need to do, but the rest of it's done. It's a full queen size bed in here. It doesn't look as big as you'd think it is, but it definitely is very comfortable. I'm a 6'4" man and about 100 or so kilos, and I fit in here just absolutely comfortably and beautifully. Two Sirocco fans there. I haven't put the cupboard up yet either. I'm waiting to do the roof carpeting for that, but that'll be coming very soon. Of course, I've got my hat holders as well. Got to have those because I absolutely love my hats. I do also have a couple of cup holders in there, as you can see. And then on the back side here, we have our lights, inside, outside, which is nice. And then on this side here, we have our charging. So you can plug all your phones into that, your cameras, charge whatever you need to, which is really nice. All right, so moving out of the bedroom now, we have what I would call our entertainment area. It's a 180-degree Darchi batwing awning. Super easy to set up. One person can do it, no worries. Gives you some nice cover from the rain or the sun. Speaking of rain, it's just started to rain on me now. So I'll crack onto the video undercover now, which is nice. Underneath here, we also have an extra table. This just folds down from the wall, which is super handy. You can make cocktails on there or just serve some food on there, whatever you need to do. Also on the outside here, we have our outdoor awning light. This has white and orange, which is super handy. Orange is great for not attracting the bugs and mozzies, and that lights up this area nicely. It's not too bright, it's just a nice ambient light there. All right, so now we move into my favorite part of the camper, which is the kitchen here. Heaps of space, heaps of storage space and bench space, which is really nice. You don't find that a lot in these kinds of campers. We have 3 super long drawers here, which is really nice. There's 2 smaller ones and 1 big one. We have a space for a 90-litre fridge. I've just got a cheap one that I had in the shed there in there for now. We also have some overhead cupboards here, which is super handy. I mean, you can just store so much in here, it's ridiculous. On the wall here, we have our charging station. So just like in the bedroom there, you can charge your phones, your cameras. You know, you can run a kettle off this if you want to, whatever you need to do. Also have our light switches on the wall here. We have white in here. We also have amber in case you want to just grab a quick snack and you don't want to attract all the bugs. Down here we also have an induction fan which sits behind the fridge just to pull the hot air out of the fridge area. Turn that on there. And then we also have our light switches for the outside to turn the white and the amber on the outside. So super handy, I absolutely love it. Moving on from the kitchen, we have our shower area here. I have not hung the actual hot water shower yet. That's coming. It's in the car actually. I just haven't had a chance to fully fit it and whatnot. But we do have the awning up, which is still super handy. You can put a toilet in there. You can have a shower, nice hot shower. So we will have gas and an instant hot water shower on this thing as well. One thing I love about this camper is how easy and simple it is to set it up on your own. I set this thing up in probably about 3 or 4 minutes and I took a time lapse of it. So I'm going to roll that footage for you now and just show you how simple it is. So all the nitty-gritty information and details on this build can obviously be found in my previous videos where I explain it as I go. But one thing I do want to touch on quickly, just for the people who haven't seen the videos before, is that the actual camper box and the frame are completely separable from each other. All you have to do is take out a few latches in each corner, put in some jacking legs and then wind each corner up, and it actually lifts the box off the trailer frame. It can be done with one person. It's super simple, super easy. And then what that leaves you with is a flatbed trailer that you can, you know, take dirt bikes on. You can go to the dump. You can pick up a couch if you want to. Whatever you need to use it for, it's super simple. It saves you having to have 2 different trailers, 2 different registrations, 2 different insurances, and it's one feature that I really love about this camper. So the rain gods aren't too happy with me today. It did start to rain, but that's okay because we got most of our filming done that we need to. So I'll sit underneath my 180-degree Darchi awning, stay dry, and have a quick chat to you guys now. So this camper here, it started right around 2 years ago, just as a drawing on a piece of paper. I'll try and find a photo of that and put it up on the screen so you guys can see. I called up a friend of mine. I said, hey, I got an idea, I got a vision, need your help because he's an absolute master fabricator, master welder. So thank you so much to him for all of his help. I couldn't have done it without him. So he welded up the frame pretty much as the specs on my drawing were. I drew it to scale, more or less. And it just turned out fantastic. From there, the ball just kept rolling. I did have about a 6-month period in between where I had some stuff going on that I couldn't work on it, but we jumped over that hurdle and we got back to it, and here we are now. So, I mean, it's a super solid trailer. I have done 1 trip in it. I did 4 days at a music festival. It went beautifully, so comfortable. Everything worked how it should have. There are a few things that I already realized that I wanted to change and add and subtract. So, you know, it's going to be an ever-evolving sort of project, I guess you could say. This thing was completely DIY built. I haven't done this before per se. I did convert an old go-kart trailer previously, so I guess you could say that's my experience, which was nothing compared to this. I was definitely starting from scratch with a build like this. Yeah, without the people around me that helped out, I couldn't have done it. So thank you to all of them. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Before that being said, I am going to end this reveal video here. I really appreciate you guys sticking around, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. If you have any questions, want to see anything else in detail, want me to explain anything better, please hit me in the comments below and I'll make a little video montage of all that kind of stuff for you. If you guys haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Hit me with a like, share the video, and I appreciate your support a lot. And I hope you guys are looking forward to the videos I have coming in the future. In the next few weeks, I will be uploading a video of a camper van build. So an old van that I'm converting into a camper for a charity. I'm working on that one with my uncle, which will be really exciting. And from there, I'm just going to be looking at doing some, I guess, adventure videos, taking this thing out, really testing it, making sure that it, withstands the Aussie land and what we can throw at it. And I'm super excited for that. So that's it for today. I really appreciate it, guys. Enjoy the rest of your days, and I'll see you next time. Peace.